What's up guys, welcome back to World Entertainment Gallery channel. Today the topic of my video is BTS Jimin was sneezing so cutely during his live special latest clip in complete detail. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go click the subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon if you don't want to miss any update. So BTS Jimin did a live yesterday on Weverse, and when he was doing live, he was sneezing so cutely throughout the video because he was playing with some powder, so maybe that's why he was sneezing too much. After that, he started playing with his little aquarium, and during that he also talked about Jin Hyung and Suga birthday as well. He also talked about Jungkook live and started laughing. After that, he started laughing. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then give this video a big thumbs up and also share your thoughts in comment box. I'll see you guys in my next video. But till then, take care. Bye guys.